Hi, we are Sips and Giggles Mobile Bar here in Amarillo, Texas. My name is Brittany and this is Baylee. And today we're going to show you how to make a classic New Orleans cocktail, the Sazerac. To begin, we use a absinthe liqueur, and we're going to use an espresso for it. You're going to begin with a glass like this with a sugar cube in the bottom. You're going to use Peychaud bitters, 5 to 6 of those dashes of that bitters, and then you're going to muddle the sugar cube with the bitters. It can be a little grainy. You want to keep it a little bit grainy. It's going to mix very nicely with the liquor. It's going to help melt those flavors. And then we're going to use 2 ounces of a rye whiskey. Add ice and stir for about 30 seconds. You want to really mix those flavors in nice and well. And once she's finished shaking or stirring that up, we're going to pour into our glass. It is a very strong drink, so you're going to want to add a little bit of this lemon essence to it. We like to do just a little taste on the rim to open those flavors and really get it when you're first taking a sip. You're going to twist and express the oils and the essence of the lemon. Traditionally it can go inside, but this is a Sazerac.